Hey, this is Michigan Coon Trapper. I'm gonna do a video on the Zippo lighter guarantee. Gonna be sending in 5 Zippos. The other ones are just like the hinges have completely come off, and they're old Zippos from different people. This one, the hinge isn't straight, and if I push it back, it'll stay. But then once I open it and close it a couple times, see it slowly is starting to like get back into where it was. So I'm just gonna have them fix that on this one. But this one, I mean, I don't really want to be a jerk, but this lighter, it's really worn down. Like there's a line pattern on it. If you can sort of see that, yeah. And it's pretty much worn out. So I'm gonna test their guarantee. It doesn't have an insert in it right now, because I wouldn't want to like mess up an insert too, because I don't really want to make them replace all the inserts and everything too. I've never sent in a Zippo, so I don't know what they are going to do about the inserts. They're gonna like give me new flints. Someone told me they send you 2 new flints with everyone, but other than that, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm gonna test this. This is going the right way. Yep. Okay, I can't get too much further because it's not bolted down or anything. I think I had it at least once. See, it's pinched by the vise right there and on the other side too, so there's no way you're gonna be able to fit an insert in there. Just for good measure. Now it's pretty much screwed. So I'm gonna make a part 2 to this video, so it's under 5 minutes long. I wanted to show you what this Zippo says, if anyone can tell me anything about it. It's got a Zippo, then it's got a jukebox, and it says the American GI discovered in World War II a matchless lighter that fired with every flick of the thumb in foxholes and on foredecks from Kiska to Crete. That's what it says. If anyone knows anything about it, some markings, I think it's 1980 something, maybe 1970 something, but pretty sure it's 1980 something. So, if you know anything, please message me about it, because I'm really interested in it, and I'm definitely gonna hold on to that one for a while. But rate, comment, subscribe. If you're into trapping, check out some of my other videos. There's gonna be more Zippo videos, maybe some trick videos, some butterfly knife or bella song videos, knife videos. I'm gonna start doing that. I don't got many knives, but I know a bit about them. So rate, comment, subscribe. Wait for my next video, and you'll see the part 2.